Cookup Rice. A main dish from Anguilla. Serves 4. You will need 12 ingredients. Step 1. Wash and soak the salt meat and prepare the seasonings. Step 2. Heat the oil, add the sugar, and fry until it bubbles. Add the seasonings, fry until golden brown. Step 3. Cut the salt meat into neat pieces, and add the seasonings with water, rice, and salt. Put to boil. Step 4. Remove the skin and bones from the cooked meat, cut into neat pieces, and add to the rice when it is nearly cooked. If desired, add a dollop or 2 of butter before dishing up. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.